Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to print a PDF file as a booklet format with right side binding. Open your PDF file and I'll print this PDF file right side booklet binding. Click on this file option. Now select here print option. This printer dialog box now open. You can select all page associated page range and this size option. I select fit and this is booklet option. Click on this booklet dialog box now open. You can set here on the front side and both side and select both side and this sheet per sheet and this binding option and select here right side. You can also select here right all and select only right side binding and finally select print and select save. A PDF file now converting. Okay, save. See this. And see this. This right side booklet binding now printed. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.